Whoa! Whoa! Second crazy time. What if
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Dudes is the top loader this time. 81 will win. Anyways, let's go on to the next round. I mean, right now I listen to like what's on my Discover Weekly, Spotify, trying to find new stuff. So right now I listen to a lot of different bands. But like if you were to ask me what bands I like in general, I'm a big fan of Pink Floyd. Beatles I grew up with because my dad used to listen to them, and that's gonna be our first crazy time of this session. Crazy time. Alright, so I'll see you on the other side. Good luck, my friends. So welcome to the crazy time. Why you are still now cutting your hair, my friend? I'm not cutting it, as you can see. Anyways, let's see how we do on this crazy time. Wish you the best luck on this one. There's no biggest win for today's ones. I guess nobody beat 400x for today. So I guess if that's what you're asking, anyways, green, blue, yellow, choose a color, choose a team. I assume that's gonna be 100x max multiplier. Boom. Good luck. Anyways, you got a Suzy 25x green, a 15x yellow, and a double for the blue, so good luck to the blue winners. With 200x max, good luck. Alright, we're doubling the double. Keep doubling till morning. I got you. Nah, but real, double the double. 400x is gonna be the max multiplier. Get that biggest win. Come on, you got it. Boom.
This is the amount of money issued, 35,251 euros.
Congratulations, 25x, 440x, and a 15x. I'll see you back to real life. Alright, hello, congratulations, welcome back. 140x on blue. So let's move to the next round. Sum it up. Okay, we didn't double till the morning, sorry, but yeah.
Once again, the bets are open. Don't forget those auto-play options as well. A really good feature to have and to use, of course. So don't miss any of those important bets. So wishing you the very best of luck, everyone. No more bets now. Let's see what do we get. Alright, we have 3x on Crazy Time. Would be nice. Yo, there's actually a funny story on another game. I thought today is Friday, but it's actually Thursday. People were calling me old. It was funny. I don't know how that happened, but ladies and gentlemen, come on, wheel. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We did it. Crazy Time with the 3x. Let's go. Wow, that is amazing. That is amazing. Well, let's go. Welcome, welcome everyone to Crazy Time. I mean, Lily gave us a mission. We succeeded, even with a top slot. Awesome. All right, let's see. I'm excited for this. Okay, 3x top slot, let's go. I hope we get a lot of doubles too, actually, to get the big win of the day. I mean, the big win is 300x, so come on. Well, green, blue, yellow, pick your flapper, pick your path, or you can use the auto pick. Oh, come on, come on. Let's get some nice wins. So the max multiplier is 300x. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Alright, we have 30x for the yellow and 75x for the blue, and the green got a double. Let's go. Well, not the 300x for the blue, but let's see what will the double give us. So max multiplier 600x now. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Let's get another double.
This is the amount of money issued 41,199 euros.
Indeed. Well, congratulations to all the winners. 1,536 total winners. So welcome back everyone. Once again, congratulations to the winners. Nicely done. So place your bets and let's go for another round. Hope a good one. Okay, that wasn't that bad. 150.
Hey, Willard, yes, the police. Policia, policia. Policia Federal. And now, gonna be, oh. That looks like such a crazy time. Oh, lovely. Yes, let's check out the big wheel. Right after the big door, come on. Yes, that is the big wheel. Oh, how big it is. That big. Putting some multipliers on that, lovely. Green, blue, yellow, you choose now. Are you doing it? Oh, you had your chance to choose, now it's your chance to win. 100x over there somewhere, come on, let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 56,410 euros.
100 alert! There you go! How about that? I say maximum 100x. You get 200. So glad I was wrong. Team Blue. Did you see that, Team Blue? That's a 200.
Little bit of breaks, you know, to actually have myself fully intact. In other cases, that's gonna be really, really bad. All right, let's continue. Steph said, yeah, apologies for the patience. Yeah, thank you very much. I mean, sometimes, yeah, it can be like that. Sometimes you can say something that was not supposed to be said, but at least that's funny. At least we can make jokes out of it. Crazy time with a 4x multiplier. That is amazing. And War says take medication, Koda. No, actually, I never take a lot of that. Whoa! Second crazy time with a 5x multiplier. Ain't no way, man. The boss is back in business, eh? Woo! Baby! Whoop! It's a crazy time with a 5x. Apologies for the patience, huh? That's how you say it. Okay, 100x is the highest multiplier right now, and don't worry about that. We're gonna change that pretty soon. 500x is the highest multiplier right now. Can you believe that? Yeah, that's huge. I don't know what else is huge. Okay, let's not say that. That's too obvious, baby. Okay, 3 flappers you can have right now. Green, blue, or the yellow one. You must pick one of 3 of those. Man, the second time we do a history. The second time is gonna be a 500x. Hey, boom. That's how you make it. Strike the bottom, my man. Whoa, no way! 125, 100x, and a double for the blue flapper, man. You gotta experience a 10x crazy time right now. That's huge. You know what else is huge? Yeah, 1000x, baby. 1000x is huge. Let's go and take that. That's my goodbye to y'all.
This is the amount of money issued 110,238 euros.
125 and 100 for me. Bye.
So well done. Well done, 1,600 winners. More. Yeah, you got it, Nami. Of course you do. I'm afraid I don't have the key, Willard. 3x crazy time. That's kinda close. That's kinda right. It's crazy time. Yeah, I got the key. There you go. The triple crazy time. Penguins, let's check them out. Come on. Boom, that's crazy time with triple action. Yes, I see the multipliers, but I want to make them better. Tripling, yes. Boom. Look at those beauties. And look at those flappers. Green, blue, yellow shoes, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you had time to choose. Now it's your chance to get that 300x. Get it. Whoo! It's a 45x already for blue. But Team Yellow again getting double action. So that means we got 600 over there somewhere. Make me proud and get that.
This is the amount of money issued 77,326 euros.
Crazy time. Well, the second crazy time with a biggie win, a 300x win. Good for you, Team Yellow. Yeah, congratulations.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.